Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm putting in some coil spacers in my 2001 Jeep Cherokee XJ. I got some 1 3/4 inch polyurethane coil spacers to level out my ride after I replaced the rear leaf springs. So the first thing I did was secure the vehicle on 4 jack stands. Uh, then I went over and jacked up the passenger side axle as high as I could with a floor jack. I then went over to the driver's side, dropped this side down as low as I could. I disconnected the front track bar, as you can see here. Then I disconnected the front brake line. This is just a Torx bolt. I also disconnected the front shock down at the axle here. Uh, so that's all disconnected, and I just took the spring retainer clip off too that holds the coil spring in. So with those things disconnected, your spring should come out pretty easily. I was able to just kind of pull mine out by hand here, you can see. So I've got the spring out and I'm ready to put my spacer back in. So I've got the spacer installed, and I'm just going to be using a pry bar or crowbar here and a big hammer to pound the spring back in. So there's the spring back in on this side. Side's done, so now I'm over to the passenger side, just repeating the process, jacking up the opposite side, dropping this side down, disconnecting those three things. Here's the factory rubber kind of spring isolator. You're going to want to take that off and reinstall it underneath the coil spacer. So now I'm going back in with the spring on this side and the job's pretty much done. Here you can see here's a picture of it after I've got the front installed, so I think it looks a lot better. Let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching.